Obstetric anal sphincter injury repair, usually with the third degree perineal tear, there is involvement of the anal sphincter. So this is external anal sphincter. Adequate analgesia is given, which can be regional or general anesthesia depending on the patient condition. Adequate lightening. First, repair the rectal mucosa. Rectal mucosa, because the tear is in the anal sphincter, so rectal mucosa is repaired first. Repair of torn external sphincter, anal sphincter. Approximation of the muscle with suture. Muscles should be approximated with the suture and repairing. You can see in this picture, the muscles are approximated and they are sutured. This is the external anal sphincter, which closes the anal opening, and it's open with the when the time for defecation occurs. So this is just the picture showing how these muscles are repaired by close approximation. End-to-end repair or overlap method. This is the picture that gives end-to-end anastomosis. Two ends are repaired, brought together, or it may overlap, overlapping of one side on top of the other. Second degree trauma is usually also, this is the second degree is involved. So anal sphincter injuries, the anal mucosa is first repaired by side to side or overlap method, and the approximation of muscles is done. Adequate lighting should be there, can be done by regional anesthesia or by general anesthesia.